Hi, in this video we have to consider this question, that is, find the slope of the tangent line to the curve at the point corresponding to the value of the parameter. First problem is x is equal to t square plus 1, y equal to t square minus 3. At t equal to 1, what will happen to this one? So in order to find out the slope means dy by dx we have to calculate. For this, dy by dt divided by dx by dt at the point t equal to 1. Right? So dy by dt is, first find out dy by dt. Dy by dt equal to 2t minus 1. Next, at the point dy by dt at the point t equal to 1 implies 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay, 2t minus 1 at t equal to 1, that is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Again, this dx by dt equal to 2t and dx by dt at the point t equal to 1 equal to 2. So the point is we have to calculate this dy by dx at the point t equal to 1. Dy by dt is 1 divided by dx by dt, that is 2. So this is a slope of the tangent line. Okay. We can do the second problem. X equal to t cube minus t, y equal to t square minus 2t plus 2. At t equal to 2, we have to evaluate. So in order to do that, first very easy technique is, first of all, find out all these dx by dt, that is 3t square minus 1, dy by dt equal to 2t minus 2. Next is dx by dt at the point t equal to 2 equal to 2 square, that is 4 into 3, that is 12 minus 1, 11. Dy by dt at the point t equal to 2 is equal to 4 minus 2, that's equal to 2. Right? So dx by dt, then what will be the slope? Dy by dx, which is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt, that is 2 divided by 11 at the point t equal to 2. Is it correct or not? Okay, we can check that. This is 3t square minus 1. This is 2t minus 2. 2t minus 2. Okay, it's correct? Yes. At t equal to 2, dx by dt is 2 square. That's 4 into 3, 12 minus 1, 11. Here, 2 into 2, 4 minus 2, that's equal to 2. So this is 2 divided by 11. Right? So this is a problem of this. Okay. Next is, we have to calculate this x is equal to the third problem. Third problem, that is x is equal to x is equal to root t, y equal to 1 by t, and t equal to 1. Then dx by dt is equal to 1 by 2 root t, dy by dt is equal to minus 1 by t square. Next, evaluate at t equal to 1, what will be that? So dx by dt at t equal to 1 is equal to 2 root t, that is 1 by 2. Dy by dt at t equal to 1, that's equal to minus 1. So dy by dx at t equal to 1 implies minus 1 divided by 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 2. That is the answer. Right? What was here? We can write this. Fourth one. X is equal to e raised to 2t, y equal to log t at t equal to 1. So what is this at dx by dt? That's equal to 2 e raised to 2t. And dy by dt is equal to 1 by t. And dx by dt at t equal to 1. That's equal to 2 e raised to 2. Dy by dt at t equal to 1 is equal to 1. So dy by dx is equal to at t equal to 1 equal to 1 divided by 2 e raised to 2. Next is the fifth one, x is equal to 2 sine theta, y equal to 3 cos theta, at theta equal to pi by 4. That is, we have to find out. Dx by d theta is equal to 2 cos theta, dy by d theta is equal to minus 3 sine theta. Then dx by d theta at theta equal to pi by 4 equal to 2 cos pi by 4. What will be this? What will be the value? Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So this equal to 2 by root 2, which is equal to root 2. Okay. Again this dy by d theta at the point theta equal to pi by 4. Theta equal to pi by 4, which is equal to minus 3 sine pi by 4, which is equal to minus 3 divided by root 2. Okay. Then what will be dy by dx at the point theta equal to pi by 4, which is equal to minus 3 divided by root 2 divided by root 2, which is equal to minus 3 divided by root 2 into 1 by root 2. What will be the answer? What will be? Minus 3 divided by 2 is the answer. Okay. Next we have to find out the last question. X is equal to 2 into theta minus sine theta. X is equal to sixth one. X is equal to 2 into theta minus sine theta. And y is equal to, I have to check the question. Y equal to 2 into 1 minus cos theta. 2 into 1 minus cos theta. Theta equal to pi divided by 6. So what will be this dx by d theta equal to 2 into 1 minus cos theta, and dy by d theta is equal to what? 2 into cos theta derivative is minus sine theta, so this is plus, so sine theta. Next is dx by d theta at theta equal to pi by 6. 2 into 1 minus cos pi by 6. Cos pi by 6 means cos 30. That's equal to cos 30 is cos 30 is 1 by 2. So 2 into, which is equal to 2 into 1 minus cos, that is 1 minus 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1. Actually 2 into 1 by 2, that's equal to 1. Again this dy by d theta. Dy by d theta at theta equal to pi by 6, that is sine 30, that is 2 sine pi by 6. That's equal to 2 into root 3 by 2, which is equal to root 3. So dy by dx is at theta equal to pi by 6 implies dy by dt d theta. So here that is dy by d theta. That is root 3 divided by 1, which is equal to root 3. This is the answer of this. Okay. We can do more problems, and next we will deal with the second derivative corresponding to a parametric curve. That will be discussed in the next video. Okay, thank you.